Here's Mabel. Mabel's. Oh, there's the smile. I was gonna say we were having a smiley time. What do you say, Miss Mabel? Oh, we go from happy to sad pretty quick. Not very sad, more serious. What are you thinking of? Something good? Yeah? What are you looking at? A pillow? A pillow? Mabel, what are you looking at? What do you see? What is going on? How you doing? Oh, we might have some gas. Yeah. Okay. Stick out your tongue if you have gas. Or make that face.